Hey guys, I completely forgot that I forgot to do the actual pendulum reading. So, duh, Bernie. So, this is the pendulum, and as I had told you before, this part broke off. But the way this works is, first of all, don't drink any coffee or anything that causes you to be jittery, because then it's going to kind of fuck up the reading, okay? So, what we do, okay, let me just get a little closer here. Okay, just put this like this. Now, the way this works is yes is this way back and forth, no is this way back and forth, I don't know or I don't want to answer or I don't feel like answering is in a circle. Okay? Just so you know how this works. And I'm getting a little bit of like the little stomach stuff. There's somebody that doesn't want me to do this really well. Oh well. So, that being said, we have to ask very, very specific questions that require a yes or a no. Okay? Let me just breathe a little. There's a lot of energy in this room right now. I'm going to try to make this as still as possible. And I feel like I have to ask about the spiritual aspect of this. Are there spiritual attacks being made? See, they didn't even wait for me to ask the question. I'm not moving this, guys. Yes, there are spiritual attacks being made on the unions. Didn't I fucking tell you? I'm not moving this. I'm being as still as I can. Okay? So that's number one. You got a yes. It wasn't like swinging like this, but I think, if you have some intelligence spiritually in this twin flame journey and have any kind of experience in this type of thing and have dealt with it before, then you would probably surmise, yes, this has to do with you. Okay? Now, are the karmics coming for the twin flame feminines? Are you watching this? I'm not moving this. Yep, they show as fuck are. Okay. Is there a war being waged on the masculines here? Especially the ones that are ascending, especially the ones that are ready to move forward with their feminines. Are they under attack? Make this as still as possible. Same question. Are the masculines under attack, especially the ones that are ascending? Just pains me to see this. Look how much that is. Now, the final question that I'm going to ask is this the year of mass unions? Hence the attacks. Is this the year of mass unions? You gotta excuse my people. Like I said, I just ate, so I'm gonna be a little bloated. Okay, I'm gonna make this as still as I possibly can. Is this the year of mass unions? Are most twins going to unite? Yes. Yeah, baby, give it to me. Yep. That's a fuck yes. Now, do the demons know that their time is up? Do the demons know that their time is up? And there's a little pressure on this chain. I don't think it has to be clearer than that, guys. All right, so if you want your own pendulum reading, which has to be done by, just so you know, I would have offered Messenger, but I'm not on social media for the time being. I'm kind of taking a break from social media, so I'm not, checking for nothing on social media. Uh, kind of over it. So really, email is the best way to get to me. As far as doing the pendulum readings, where you can actually see them, I am going to have to set up my Skype account again, and I'll let you know when that's done. Uh, in the meantime, if you do have an iPhone, we can FaceTime. Okay, so we could do it that way. All right. If you don't have FaceTime, well, you'll have, unfortunately, you'll have to wait until I have my Skype up and running. Okay. So with that being said, I am going to skedaddle to bed because I'm a little spent. And I hope that this helped you guys, and I hope this gave you a little bit of insight. I suggest, you guys, the cards could be fucked with. Okay? Cards can be fucked with. As I told you earlier, my purple cards are done. They're completely done. Okay? Get you one of these. They're not that expensive. Okay? And these are very, very truthful. I found out some fucking shit about everybody that's involved in this journey, karmic included. Yeah, bitch, I found out about you. Yeah. So, that being said, I suggest you get one of these. Obviously. Whoa, excuse me. Obviously, an entire one. Obviously, I'm a kook. Don't mind me. I will see you guys later, and please don't be a stranger. If you need services, you know what my email is: Black Cat Tarot for you, number 4 letter U at gmail.com. Okay? Especially if you don't know what services to purchase, and we could discuss and we will go from there. All right. Lots of love to you guys. Lots of hugs, and take care of yourselves. Okay. In every way possible. All right. Love you all.